Hi, welcome to the More 5-Minute St. Louis Real Estate Market Update for January 2013. I'm Dennis Norman, one of the brokers at More, and if you'll give me 5 minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to speed on what's happening in the St. Louis real estate market. First off, let's jump right in here with some market stats for the entire St. Louis metropolitan area. You can see from our real-time market profile here, the median price of all homes for sale currently in the St. Louis metro area is $170,901. Most expensive listing, $9.9 million. That's a big one. Median asking price per foot, 96 bucks. Average days on market, a little over 6 months. We're going to skip right on down though to the market action index at the bottom there. This jumped. This is our quick snapshot of the market. Tells you the health of the market. Last month it was 16. This month it's 19. Still a cold market, still a buyer's market. A 30, if it makes its way up to a 30, it would be a balanced market, wouldn't favor buyers or sellers. Above a 30, it's a hot market up to a high of 60 and favors sellers. But anyway, we are at least moving upward. Here is the history of the market action index for about the last 3 years. And you can see for the St. Louis metro area, it was about a 14 about 3 years ago, and you can see what it's done over this time period and has recently shot up here to the highest level in 3 years, so that is good news. It mainly, our market action index mainly looks at supply and demand and then gauges the market. Here is the market action index broken down by price ranges, by the 4 quartiles. The lowest price range is showing the highest market action index, almost a 20. That's the blue line. The highest price range, well, actually the next 3 are all kind of coming together here, but the black line is the 25% highest priced homes in St. Louis, and that market is the softest, but you can see all the price ranges are doing significantly better than they were over the past 2 or 3 years. Now a look at the pricing for St. Louis metro area. The orange line is a 90-day price line, shows the median price over a 90-day period. A little longer term look. And we can see that it peaked back in summer, which you'd expect. Home prices have fallen off since summer somewhat. They peaked at about 189,000, down to about 179 now. The black line's a 7-day average, so it's quicker to show what's happening. Clearly, they are currently trending downward in the metro area. Now I'm going to zoom into the core area, the 5 counties that make up the bulk of the St. Louis market. It's the city of St. Louis County, St. Charles County, Jefferson County, and Franklin County. This first chart here shows the number of sales and average sales price. The blue columns are number of sales. And we can see here for December, it was better than a year ago, about 2,400 homes versus about 2,200. And the green line, we can see what the average price has done, and it's just about where it was a year ago. Again, looking at this 5-county core market, this is median home sales prices, what they're actually selling for as far as the time it took to sell them. Green line is the days on market, how long it took to sell. That's been pretty flat, hanging around 70 days, not too bad. Blue line's median price, and again, you can see it's definitely calmed down. It's dropped a little bit lately. This is my realtor scorecard. This is what homes are selling for as a ratio of what the price they were listed for at the time of sale, as well as what they were originally listed for. This shows how good the realtors are doing pricing them. The blue line shows the ratio to the current list price. That's been pretty steady. Homes are selling for about 96 to 97% of what they're currently asking for them. Down here is the price compared to the original list price. It was horrible a year ago, only about 90%. Hit about 94, now it's dropping down to about 93%, so still not real good. This is listing inventory, the number of supply, months of supply of homes for sale. That has dropped significantly over the year, has flattened out the last few months to about a 6-month supply, which is healthy. This is a quick 10-year look at median home prices and list prices, sold prices and list prices. The blue line are list prices, green sold. And you can see we are still a little bit lower than where they were 10 years ago. And there you go. That's a quick snapshot of the market. We have a whole lot more. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We've got a electronic newsletter you can subscribe to. I invite you to check out stlouisrealestatenews.com for all the latest news and real estate information on the St. Louis real estate market. This is original and up-to-date market data and news that we publish. You can subscribe to our electronic newsletter. We've got a newsletter seat up here on the right-hand side that comes out monthly. You can subscribe to this market update on iTunes, to our podcast. Go to iTunes and search for St. Louis Real Estate Market Update video. This is myself, my partner John Williams, Nick CPAC. Us and our team of professionals are here to help you. Be sure to check out our new real estate search site, stlouisrealestatesearch.com. Best place to find homes in St. Louis. You can scan the QR code there for more resources. There's our legal disclaimer. Back to the resources. Thank you very much. And until next month, God bless you.